I'm at the award ceremony of the White Sands International Film Festival tonight. There are 4 award winners in the film festival, and I'm with one of the winners all the way from Denmark. And he's the winner of the short feature film, Klaus Ulla. How are you today?
I'm very fine, thank you.
So I heard that from the award ceremony. This is your first film that you're submitting to this festival.
It's a first festival I'm submitting this film to. Yes, I've had one short film at some festivals before, but this is the first festival that my film The Savior is being screened at. So I'm very happy about it all.
Well, your film is called The Savior. What inspired you to write and direct this story about saving somebody?
Firstly, it's just a kind of a theme I have, an interest. I really don't like something being unjust or unfair, and I think violence between human beings are horrible. So just the thing about being unjust towards other people, that's a general interest of me. I can't really leave it alone, and the theme about doing something for other people, or making a difference, or maybe even the doubts of when to make a difference or not, that interests me. But the direct inspiration for this film was a song by Suzanne Vega, which is called Luca. It's quite a hit, so I guess everybody knows it. At least when they hear it, they probably recognize it. And she's singing as a woman, the way I remember it, who's getting beaten up by her boyfriend, and the song is to this guy, I think, that lives underneath her in the apartment. Don't ask me what happened, and just stay out of it. So that's a song from the woman's point of view, and I was inspired to do a film about domestic violence seen from maybe the neighbor's point of view. What should you do, and what can you do, and when should you make a difference?
That's a certainly very interesting perspective, and you have a very interesting twist to that story too, because the abuser or the person who abused the other person is not a male. It's actually the other way around.
Yeah, well, that's the whole point of the film, so I hope nobody feels bad about it being said here. But yes, that's right. The film is apparently about a woman being beaten up by her husband, boyfriend, and we see it through the eyes of the guy that lives in the apartment underneath her, and he's mistaken about it. This is the whole point of the thing. So I'm just making a comment actually on that domestic violence is usually mostly about men beating up women, but it's more common than you should think that also men are getting beaten by their wives. It's just more a taboo, that it's even harder maybe to talk about for men, to admit that they were getting beaten by their wives. So it's not so much a comment about if it's men beating women or the other way around. The theme is more about when and how can you allow yourself to interrupt into other people's private life.
Klaus, I know that you're not just a director, you're also a stuntman. So what's your next project?
Well, it's not so much about stunts. I'm trying to move away from stunts. I've been doing that for 20 years, and I have a little bit, been there, done that. It's very physical and practical work, and it's fun. I like it a lot, but I need to use my heart and my brains also. So I like to go into to directing more, and this is a very this is nice to be here and get a little pat on the back. And so I want to go home and probably make a film about prostitution and human trafficking, which I think is very interesting and horrible that this thing is going on, slavery in our time. And it's more common also than you should think, that you should hope for. So especially, at least for people in Denmark, I know it's kind of dawning on them that it's a bigger problem than we first thought, or we would like to think. So that's a good subject, and I like to make entertaining access, or so it seemingly is an entertaining film you're going to see, but there's some depth to it and some importance to it.
Now, Claus, we look forward to your next film. Congratulations one more time. Alamogordo is so honored to have you here. We hope that you will come back to visit us soon.
I hope so.
Okay, thank you so much for joining us today.